In this video, I decided to switch it up a bit. I live on a farm, so I thought it would be a good idea to use some of our animals to decide which subjects I'm going to talk about. First up, we used our goats. As you can see, this is a little video of all the goats. However, we only used one of them, which was a little more friendlier. Here we have one of the goats, Dave, trying to pick one of the options. There's 3 options to pick out of veterinary, medicine and dentistry, but which one will he pick? It looked like he was going to pick veterinary, but he picked dentistry. To study dentistry, you need 3 A levels at grade A in either biology, chemistry, physics, maths or psychology. In the second part of this video, I decided to use one of the baby chickens. As you can see in this video, there was 1 baby chicken, 2 baby ducks and a baby peacock. These were all just days old, so it'll be interesting to see what they pick, what the chicken picks anyway. So for the first attempt, the chicken goes towards medicine. It looks as if it's about to get some, but no, it turns away, goes towards business studies and chooses business studies. To study business at university, you are typically required to have 2 A levels. The University of Oxford is known as the best university for business studies. On the second attempt, the chicken goes straight away and chooses politics. To study politics, it is required that you have 3 A's at A levels. The best university in the UK to study politics is the King's College London. Finally, I will let my cat pick what subject. And she has picked chemistry. While it varies, in general you need to get at least an A, an A and a B and A levels to take chemistry for uni. The best university in the UK for chemistry is Cambridge University.